Welcome to the course Project Management Fundamentals, Stakeholder Management. Hi, I'm Luke Angel. This course covers how to effectively identify, engage, and manage your project stakeholders. I'll begin by exploring the big picture and looking at the business need for stakeholder management. We'll then review success factors in project management and how stakeholder management fits in. Next, I'll guide you through a review of strategies to identify stakeholders and create a stakeholder matrix. I'll also give you hints and tips along the way with checklists and examples with linked case studies so you have some practical examples and templates by the time you're finished. Running a successful project depends on identifying, engaging, and managing all of your project stakeholders. I'll introduce you to available tools and techniques to create a healthy partnership and a win-win environment with all of your stakeholders.
You learn all of this and more, so what are you waiting for? Sign up today.